So, welcome to Meka School. This is our very first video, and we are here to make math easy, fun, and super quick to learn. Today, I will show you a powerful trick to square numbers ending in 5. Like, we assume the example is 65 whole square. So, the solution will be take this number 65 whole square. So take the digit before 5. So before 5 the digit is 6. So now multiply by 6 one more than itself. So it's 7. So 6 multiply 7 equal 42. And we know that numbers ending in 5 will always finish with 25. So 5 times 5 equal 25. Now put it together. Here is 42 and here is 25, and there's the answer. It's our result. So I want to take another example. Take 995 square equal what? So guess the answer, guys. Okay, so first of all we should write this number, take the digit before 5. So we take 99, multiply 99 by 1 more than itself, so it's 100. So 9900. And we know that numbers ending in 5 will always finish with 25. So 5 multiply 5 equal 25. So now put it together. We get 990025, and it's the result. If you enjoyed this quick trick, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Meka Schools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.